Welcome to the KKE video series. In this What's New in 9.0 video, we will cover the enhancements made in two related areas: software catalog and license compliance. The software catalog is an intelligent listing of well over 80,000 applications and app suites, which is downloaded to your SMA daily. This catalog is combined with a regular scan of your inventory that detects the presence of the executables that correspond to the titles in the catalog. Hence the discovered, not discovered, and uncatalogued list pages. In this version, we've added some new options to the Choose Action drop-down menu on these list pages. These new options give you the ability to exclude individual titles or entire suites from related reports. You can also choose to hide them from the license compliance page. Also new in this version is the ability to reclaim software that has not been used recently, as detected by the metering feature. Since the inception of the software catalog, the SMA has had a usage metering feature, which you can configure to track certain apps or suites to determine whether they are actually being opened and run on your computers, as well as how often and for how long. New in this version, you can build a managed uninstallation to be targeted at the devices that haven't used the application during a recent time period, choosable by you, or from all devices that currently have that title installed. Let's look at the software catalog first. I've navigated to Inventory Software Catalog. The new options can be found in the Choose Action menu. So if I were to check the box next to one or more titles and click Choose Action, I can then choose to exclude those titles from compliance-related reports, or re-include them if I previously excluded them. The other new options here allow me to exclude the titles from the license compliance list page, or re-include them if I previously excluded them. These new options are also available on the detail page for each title. If I click on one, you can see the checkboxes here. Once excluded, they'll be removed from the Asset Management License Compliance page or reports, enabling me to keep the pages focused on the titles important to me. Speaking of the License Compliance page, that's where we're going next, to check out the new ability to reclaim software that hasn't been used lately. The new feature I'm going to show you is, of course, in the Choose Action drop-down menu, but the first step is to check the box next to the title that you want to reclaim. Now you click Choose Action, and you can see the new Reclaim Software sub-menu. Your choices are not used in the last 30 days, not used in the last 60 days, not used in the last 90 days, and all. The first three options are dependent on metering data, whereas the final all option enables the removal of the title from all devices that currently have it installed, regardless of their usage. I will choose the 60-day option. As you can see, it directed me to Distribution Managed Installations, where I can configure a managed install with the correct settings to uninstall this application, which I've already researched online. I'll input the name, I'll choose the execution, choose Override Default, input the full command line to uninstall, including whatever it needs to make it quiet or silent. I'll check the Uninstall checkbox and the Run Command Only checkbox. When I scroll down to the Deploy section, you can see that a device is already chosen. In this case, the only one that hasn't used this app for at least the last 60 days. Once I finish configuring this uninstall and enable it, this app will be removed from the targeted device on the next inventory, freeing up one license of this application. Thank you for watching this presentation of the KKE video series.